good morning, and I'm going to share with you the Galvanic spa today. So I'm just going to start with the gels, and I just have to open them up. And so I'm starting with the clear one, and that has ingredients in it which bind with excess oils and dirt and pollution in the skin, and so it's preparing uh, the skin for to get a great result with the treatment gel, which comes in a minute. Okay, so I'm just lathering it around my face, just so that's all there. Okay, and so I just have to wet my hand and put it on the chrome there, and then I'm setting it to okay, so I just start it and you'll see it beep, and it beeps 3 times, which actually lets me know that my skin is really well hydrated. There's 1, 2 or 3 beeps. So I'm just going around my eye because this wonky eyebrow, and then I'm just coming down my face, and you want to go not too slow or too fast. So it's a bit like the wrong ends of a magnet. You know, when you go to push those things, then they won't stick. And you need a positive and a negative end for the magnets to stick to each other. And so this is a similar thing. So we're doing it a negative charge and a negative charge in the device. So it's the lotion, the gel is ionized negative. And so those two negatives actually repel each other, and it pushes the ingredients deep into the tissue. So, and then I also love to go under here. And then I just do exactly the same thing on the other side. So I think that is enough. I'll carry on and I'll come back with the blue one. Okay, I'm back with you now. And so I've put it on to a number 3, which is the setting for the blue gel, which I've got on my face already. And I'll just do exactly the same as what I did it before. Well, maybe not exactly, but you know what I mean. I tend to do one side and then do the other side. So again, you just want to, as I said, do it not too fast, not too slow. So just with the magnet analogy, if you slide them fast across, they won't stick. But if you have, we talked about the repelling thing. That you know, it's the same thing. But what I'm saying is, you don't want to do it too fast, because you actually want that force to actually push the ingredients into the tissue. So if I'm going like that, it probably won't be pushing the ingredients in very well. So just do a little bit slow, and it's really, I mean, it's pretty simple. So, and people can focus on whatever issues they might have. I mean, some people might have, you know, to get really textured skin as you get older, or lines around your mouth, and you can do that. And we do have another couple of products that actually can are used with the Galvanic spa as well. So it's not just the treatment this, but we also have a product for lines, and it has 2 pro collagen peptides in it, and so it helps cause collagen to be produced in the skin, and so we can use it. The spa with that as well, as an adjunct to product to the gels. So I just also like to tell you that we have a hair comb head that the heads pop off, you know, well, not pop off, you can change the heads, and one is for the hair, because we have a product for remineralizing the hair follicles, And so again, it's the same principle. It's driving the ingredients deeper into the tissue than just rubbing it on with your hand. So it does give a faster result because you're getting so much more into the hair follicle, so much more ingredients into the follicles. And so that's great. And we also have an attachment for if you want to do your bingo wings. I wouldn't recommend it if you're trying to reduce your belly fat or your cellulite on your legs or stretch marks on your tummy. We'd recommend the body spa for that because it's a much bigger surface area. In fact, I'll just show you in case you haven't seen it. So this is the body spa, and that's the area that you're doing over the skin compared with this, if you see what I mean. So, but if you do get the Galvanic spa, which I think it's a great product, especially for people, 50 and 50 plus, it just gives you some more help, really. And not to say that younger people don't use it, they do. So that's just another thing. And then we've got the other head, which I'm sorry I haven't got with me. Maybe I have. Yeah, this is the attachment, which has a sort of a focused part, which you can focus with this peptide product I talked about around your eyes, maybe around your forehead and around your lips. So it's a great, so there are 4 different heads for the Galvanic, and you get them all together. And they can be replaced sometimes, they need a replacement. But this Galvanic that I've got, I've actually had it nearly 10 years, can you imagine? So it has a 2-year warranty. But what is interesting is that as long as you look after it, don't drop it, for sure, and don't and take off the head when you're finished and wash everything out and dry it and everything. Just look after it. And it's got a cute little bag that I keep mine in, or you can stand it on your bathroom vanity if you want. But it's if you look after these devices, they will give you a long lasting use, and that's helpful. It's like an investment. It's a good investment for your skin. It really is. We know that some people just love to look after their skin and other people don't. Well, that's a personal choice. But if you are interested in looking after your skin, the benefit is that these products do make a difference, and incremental benefits. When I first started, when I first started using it, I didn't really know much about it, and I just used it. And it was about probably a year afterwards, and then I saw a photo of myself on the fridge at home, and then I thought, oh my goodness, this has made a difference. But I couldn't see it initially, and I wasn't really looking. I was just doing because I knew it was supposed to be good for your skin. And I'm so grateful for those incremental benefits that still keep going and just give me a little bit of oomph. And people ask, well, what would happen if you stopped using it? Well, it would just be like if you go to the gym and you get your fitness. Well, then if you don't go to the gym, slowly your fitness will decline. So it's exactly the same with that. Your face isn't going to fall in a day or a week or a month. But just gradually it will just go back to its normal look that it would have been without the help. So yeah, you don't have to worry about anything like that. So my advice is that if you feel like you want to give yourself another incremental improvement, by adding something else to your regime, I would highly recommend the Galvanic Spa. It's portable, it's easy to use, and as long as you look after it. And I take it whenever I go on holiday. We've just been on holiday, and I just take these things with me, and then I can use them when I want. And I've got them, and it doesn't take a lot of space, and it just goes in this cute little bag, and I've got it, and I can do it whenever I want, at 10 o'clock at night or 6 o'clock in the morning or whatever. And I think that convenience is helpful. And of course, the price. I mean, if you go to a beauty salon and you get a treatment, well, that treatment will just last you, you know, a few days usually. Whereas if you've got something that you can do yourself at home, you can do it whenever you want it. So it's your choice. And of course, the gels are a fraction of the price of having a salon treatment. And you know, you get the benefit, and then a few days later, you're pretty much back to where you were. So then that's for me. Please send me some messages if you would like to get to know more, and I'd love to help you. Okay, take care. Bye bye.